Before starting this video, just guess who is this president that entering in the White House. Just look. The name of all the US presidents who were in the US military forces before. The presidents, they served the country and the military. Do I talk like the former US President Barack Obama? Just for fun. Remember that Donald Trump was never in the US military forces. He was just a cadet in the New York Military Academy. New York Military Academy is a boarding school. So Donald Trump was never ever enlisted in US Army, US Air Force, US Navy or in US Marines. Total 29 US presidents will be found who were in the US military forces before of their presidential career and before of their presidential period. Completely the number is total 29 and all of their name will be mentioned in this video, so you have to watch the full video. They are all from the US Army, US Air Force and the US Navy, but no one from the US Marines and the US Coast Guard. No one has been succeeded to be president from there. No soldier from the United States Marines and the United States Coast Guard has never ever was successful to become the president of the United States. All of the 29 US presidents are from the US Army, United States Air Force and from the US Navy. All from there. Barack Obama was never in the US military forces. And Bill Clinton was also never in the US military forces. Barack Obama and Bill Clinton both are civilians. So Barack Obama, Donald Trump and Bill Clinton, all these three were never in any of the US military forces. Their background record is totally civilian and they are not military. So always keep in mind that they were civilian, not military. Before starting the main 29 list, I would like to say some notable US presidents who were in the US military force like George Bush. George W. Bush was a first lieutenant in the US Air Force. His father, Senior H.W. Bush, was a lieutenant in the United States Navy. Ronald Reagan was a captain in the United States Army Air Force. Jimmy Carter was a lieutenant in the US Navy. Same Gerald Ford, Richard Nixon, all were in the US military forces prior to their career. And John F. Kennedy was a lieutenant in the United States Navy. And Eisenhower was a general in the United States Army. So they were president and they love the country. They are patriot. They have never taken the power. They just legally fought the election and became the president of the United States with respect and honor to the Constitution. They love and respect the country and the Constitution. So they love the country and the United States military forces. So they are patriots. Here is the list of all the US presidents who were in the US military forces before of their US presidential career. They were in the military prior to their presidential period. Here are all the 29 US presidents, completely from beginning to today. But today's President Donald Trump was never in the US military forces, as I said before. And Barack Obama was not in the US military and Bill Clinton was also not in the US military. But the American people respect the military and say they love to see the presidents who were in the US military forces. The- A soldier lives a little for himself and lot for others. So all of these US presidents in the list are showing here that were in the US military forces. All of these 29 were dedicated to serve the country, to establish a good empowerment for the country. So they are all patriot. They are all the sole agent of patriotism. All these 29 were patriot and were from the US Air Force, US Army and US Navy, but no one from the Marines and Coast Guard. But they are patriot. You can now pause the video to read all these 29 names, and you can also only read to know all these historic names that served in the US military to serve the United States. If you like the style that I have represented all the 29 US presidents, then you can like this video or dislike. Consider subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, so you will never miss any new update from my channel. The main purpose of this video is to prove a military person is always fit to sit at the US presidential chair, because a military person loves the country, the military, the constitution, his or her family and friends, all above himself or herself, above everything. They have never taken the power. They respect the constitution and they legally fought in the US presidential election. Same in 1952, 1976, 1980, 2016. Same conditionally and legally they fought in the US presidential election and took the power. They did not took the power like a dictator. So they love, respect and honor the constitution as well as they did the military rules and all the laws they learned in the military academy. Have you seen that all of them were officer? But that doesn't mean a normal soldier can never be the president. A soldier or a normal soldier can be president, but all of them in this list, these 29 fellows, all of them were officers, commissioned officers, and a gentleman cadet in their military academies. So this is the point. They respect the country, they respect the constitution, and they respect the military. So they keep respect for their country and the constitution. They have never taken the power like a dictator. So this is any country follow the trends that is created by these 29 US presidents, that they can respect their constitution and they can be president after their retirement from their military. They do not need to take the power like a dictator.